So yesterday I received a package from Simsek Bow. I'm going to open it up, take a look at it, and we'll do the unboxing now. A little bit later I'll do the shooting, give a critique of it and everything, but I wanted to take a look inside the box because, well, I can barely contain myself. So let's take a look. Well, inside first, the first thing we have is a nice little leather thumb ring. Kind of a nice little piece. We'll be checking that out later. Wonderful new quiver. Nice stitching. Beautiful on the inside. It's the felt. Really nice piece. Gonna take a look at that. The arrows that they sent. Take the tape off the end here. Eventually. Oh. This way. There it goes. So bear with me. There we go. Let's pull one out. Do the others. See the nice ends. The tips. The measurements on it. The veins. Not going to bore you with doing the rest of them. But nice packaging, everything went well. DHL did tear open one of the ends over here and everything stayed in, so I would say they did a fantastic job of packaging it. And then we have the target that they sent, which I'll be putting up and using it later, maybe, or maybe it just becomes a wall decoration. Kind of nice to see. Go into this first, just because I don't want to. I have been discussing with them how much I enjoyed coffee, so they sent me a Turkish coffee set in here, and I'll probably open it up and make a set at some other point for review and just talk about the Turkish coffee and ignore my dogs in the background. So, and last but not least, I had ordered one of their smaller bows. Very excited for this. Nice little case, it fits it quite nicely. The ends, everything looks good. As you can see, it's a very short bow. This is a Yop bow. You put them in the end. You can see the difference in size. But so far, looking at the packaging, I'm very pleased with it. Everything came in. It's a nice, simple design. I'm not a fan of a lot of flourishing. Gonna give it a moment, and then we will be doing a review on the shots later. And I'll be showing it in the target here. That's the first part of it.